What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to track your sales. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Click on the link in the description, and you will be redirected to the page where it will show you the dashboard of the Freshsales CRM. So log in with your official account, and you will be redirected to this page. On the left-hand side, you have to navigate yourself down to the analytics. Here you will see all the reports and all the tracking of what you have done so far in the day, whether you have made any emails, whether you have made the calls, you send the emails, or done anything that is new, or created a report, curated a report, or maybe you have closed a deal, changed the sales pipeline, and all that stuff. And it will be listed over here. In order to create a new one, just go ahead and click on the new report, and you'll be able to add charts and all that stuff in it. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.